Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video. And in today's video, I want to actually show you how you can make money with Amazon Associates, combining it with Pinterest, or with free traffic that Pinterest can give you if you know how to use it. Yes. Now, I always make this huge disclaimer, or now I started to make this huge disclaimer on my videos because many people started asking me if I made any money with these videos, and this is just a video for demonstration purposes and just for demonstrating an idea. That does not mean that I make money with this method. Yes, I'm just showing you an idea for you, the viewer, to make money online. Yes. Well, with that said, now let me actually tell you how this method will work. Yes, so we're going to combine the affiliate network which Amazon has, which is Amazon Associates, where you can just go to Amazon, pick a link, and start promoting a product. And if you make a sale for that product, you will be paid a certain commission. Now, Amazon, the particular thing which that Amazon Associate has is that because the products that you generally sell from Amazon are physical, they give you a small commission for every sale that you give them. Yes, or that for every sale that you bring to the platform. And also because Amazon is huge and has thousands and thousands of hundreds of affiliates, so they can't give you huge commissions, for example, as CPA networks, for example, which are known for giving from 50 to 70% commission rates, which are insane. Yes, for example, ClickBank, that's an affiliate network which gives those type of rates to affiliates. Yes, so if you're going to expect to make a lot of money with this method, well, I'm sorry to be a bummer, but that's not going to happen. You can make good money with Amazon Associates if you know how to use it. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine it with Pinterest traffic, yes, and start bringing some sales. Now, in this case, you don't even have to need. Well, it could be great if you had a website, but I'm not even going to tell you that you use a website, because you can use this method without a website. You don't have to own a website, yes, for this method to work. Yes, so, and also I'm going to show you how you can actually design the Pinterest pin so that you don't actually obviously make it, or just stress that this method won't work because you don't know how to actually design or any social media image, like for example a Pinterest pin, and Instagram post, a Facebook post. So Canva has templates where you just have to drag and drop, and it's easier to design than you would imagine. Yes, so if you like more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video. And also make sure to stay until the end so that you know how to combine Amazon with Pinterest and you actually maybe make some money. Yes, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into the video. Yes, now to join Amazon Associates, you'll need to go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Affiliate goes with a hyphen in the middle of affiliate and program, and you will have to click on join now for free. You will have to create an account. This is my account. Let me log in. So here guys, I'm logged into my newly created Amazon Associates account, and here I will now if I go to Amazon, yes, this is how your dashboard will look. Here is where you will see how much money you've made with the program. Now if we go to, let me see if you have a tool. Well, let me see if I go to amazon.com you'll see that when I search for a product, you'll see that this will appear here on the above corner or above the page, and this is it's called the Amazon Associate site stripe, where if you go to a product, for example, I go to this product and I want to get the affiliate URL for me to promote this product. I just have to click in. Well, this is on Spanish. Well, this is in Spanish, but here it says obtain link. It says obtain link text, image, text plus image, or a personalized affiliate link. So here I will click on text link. Here it will have your affiliate ID and the follow ID, so that they can track your link, and this will be your affiliate link. Now, the site stripe will be allowed once you joined the Amazon Associates affiliate program, and you will once you joined, you'll be able to go to any product. You go onto Amazon and just grab your affiliate link. For example, let's go with I don't know. Let's go to search for something. I don't know, for a phone. Let's go for computers. Yes. I don't know, but let me choose this monitor. So if I want to promote this monitor, I just have to click on here on text, and well, it's not loading that good or that fast. Hello. Okay, so here's my affiliate link. Here is the full affiliate, but then you have the shortened affiliate, shortened affiliate link. I recommend to use the shortened affiliate link. Now, once you have the product you want to promote, you will have to create a pin in order, obviously, to promote it on Pinterest. Yes. So, in order to create a pin on Canva, you just have to go to Pinterest, just type on Pinterest pin, and then you can create a random Pinterest pin with the thousands of templates they choose for you. So yes, so you can search for a design which suits your liking. I'm just going to go with, for example, I will find something more stacky, more that involves more something that involves or has a theme that is more like a tech gadget theme. But yeah, I'm not finding anything pretty suitable for the product I want to promote, so maybe I'm going to change the product I want to promote. I'm going to promote I don't know, let me see the template, and maybe I can find the template that suits. Okay, so maybe I can sell a cooking product, a cooking book, and let's go, for example, to cookbook here, and maybe I can sell it on example, yes, on Pinterest. For example, the Rootitoot cookbook, a grandma's. Okay, so let's say I want to promote this cookbook. Here you can just grab the link. Then I will go to this pin that you can create on Canva, and I'm just going to promote the product. I'm just going to promote the Rootitoot cookbook. So, and I'm going to put the exact same thing. The Rootitoot cookbook. The Rootitoot cookbook. And maybe put something like review, or include some reviews or some copy that the description has here on Amazon. You could put a grandma's recipes for your Instant Pot here, like a subtitle. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to download it for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to show you how to actually upload this to Pinterest, and then how to get traffic with it, because that's the hard part with Pinterest. Many people do not know how to use it, and actually Pinterest is a search engine. Yes, so what you will do is you will try to rank for a long tail keyword on Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is the same as Google SEO. Yes, in order to rank better for a keyword, obviously the longer the keyword, the better it is to rank for, and the less competition it will have. But also, in order to rank for a keyword, you'll need to have monthly viewers, yes, to your Pinterest account. And you could do that with Tailwind Tribes. I will leave a link to Tailwind Tribes on the upper right corner, showing you how to actually share other people's pins, and in exchange, these people, for sharing their pins, will share your pins, and this is how you will get momentum to your Pinterest. And once you have momentum to your Pinterest, you will be able to rank for better keywords, because, as I always say, Pinterest is a visual search engine. Yes, and I like it, and many people mistake it, but for a social media. It is a social media, but it is more like a visual search engine combined with a social media. But it's more like a visual search engine. Yes. So let's go, for example, of Grandma, or the cookbook for beginners. Cookbook for beginners, or maybe best cookbook for beginners. Yes, let's say I want to rank for this keyword, and in order to rank for this keyword, just go to here to create pin, and you will just need to copy the exact same keyword. Obviously, first add the image that you make on Canva, and then here you will add your main keyword, which was the best cookbook for beginners, and put something, put a big gradient, and put something else, don't just put this, and then obviously include again the keyword on the description. And here on the destination link, just go to Amazon and just go to the site Stripe, grab your link and just put it on the destination link. So when people see the cookbook, they will be redirected to this Amazon page. And let's say they don't buy this product, but then if they buy something else through your link, then Amazon will also pay you for that, because you're bringing a client to their platform. So don't worry if you don't make a sale by promoting the cookbook. You could make a sale by just them being on Amazon and remembering they had to buy something else. Yes, so that's the beauty of Amazon Associates. Yes, and then you select the board that you want to put the pin in. Put here, also remember to include the keyword on the description. Put some hashtags related to the keyword or to the topic of your pin, and just click publish, and then wait. If you are having good monthly viewers and your pin is start to gaining momentum, and then when people search on the bar the best cookbook for beginners and they see your pin, then you will start getting free traffic. So if you like this video, please comment in the section below what you think, and also hit that like button, and also remember to watch other of my content. Guys, I will be seeing you till next video.